Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing visual noise. Unpin apps you rarely use and pin the 6-8 tools you rely on most. Once done, switch to small icons or combine taskbar buttons to regain horizontal real estate. This reduces distractions and groups context. Next, consider auto-hide or moving the bar to left for tall screens. This gives more workspace and cleaner lines. Make these first tweaks now so later styling applies to a minimal, purposeful base. Now focus on visuals. Pick a solid or subtly translucent color to anchor the desktop. Higher transparency looks modern but can reduce legibility. Use an accent color that contrasts with window backgrounds so icons stand out. If you want unified aesthetics, install a vetted icon pack or apply theme-aware accents. Make sure to adjust scale and spacing so icons aren't cramped. Windows settings, or a lightweight utility handles this. These choices balance beauty with clarity, so you actually enjoy using the bar. Finish by tidying the system tray. Hide non-critical icons and surface only status items you watch. Once done, test across scenarios, resize windows, switch to multiple monitors, and trigger full-screen apps to ensure nothing overlaps. If the bar misbehaves or icons vanish, restart Explorer. EXE first. If that fails, undo the last visual tweak or restore a system theme. These final checks lock in a polished, dependable taskbar that looks good.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.